Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. It's Tuesday, back in the sticker shop office. I have a few orders to work on. I did some of the orders that, why is this not focused? I already did some of the orders that came in this weekend for the TPC sale, but I have the rest of the orders to finish up today. And yeah, per usual, I'm tired, but I have my new coffee that I'm trying. It's like a coconut concentrate from Trader Joe's. It's like a coconut coffee concentrate from Trader Joe's. That's what I'm trying to say. So I'm trying that out today. I'm getting a million text messages. Anyway, I really hate group text messages. That's all I'm gonna say. Really hate them, and I get put in a lot of them, unfortunately. Anyway, so I am just going to be printing and cutting stickers and packaging stickers and doing all the things, and then I need to film a plan with me later today. So it's just going to be a busy work day, and probably not going to really get on here and chat much, just get my work done and plug along. So here we go.